Hello and welcome to my channel Physics with Fun. Here we will discuss about the very basic concepts of the physics. In today's video we will study about inertia and mass. So let's get started. To understand inertia we need to look at Newton's first law of motion. This is Newton's first law of motion. In simple words, this means that object tends to keep on doing what they are doing. Inertia is the natural tendency of every object to resist change in their state of motion. If they are at rest, they would prefer staying at rest. And if they are moving at constant velocity, they would want to continue doing so. This tendency of object is called inertia of that object. Therefore, we can define inertia as the natural tendency of an object to resist change in its state of motion. If you know Newton's first law of motion, then you already knew what inertia is. As the Newton's law based on the concept of inertia, this is also called the law of inertia. As we know that all the objects resist change to their state of motion. Here is a question: if all objects have same inertia? The answer will be no, because inertia tells us how strong an object's tendency to resist the change in its state of motion. Think of it like this. There is a tiny brick kept on a table next to a relatively larger and heavier brick. Which one do you think would be easier to push? Without doubt, the answer will be the tiny brick. But what the reason behind it? It is because the heavier brick's tendency to resist change in motion is more than that of tiny brick. The heavier the object, the more is its tendency to resist to change in motion. The more mass an object has, greater will be its inertia. So if we apply equal force to both these bricks, the tiny bricks will move further as compared to the larger brick. The heavier brick has more inertia. We can relate inertia and mass by giving the definition of both. Inertia is a tendency of an object to resist change to its motion, and mass of an object is the measure of its inertia. Both mass and inertia are interrelated. So, this is our topic inertia. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.